Hey, this is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. The weather today is beautiful. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and my car is a hot mess. I mean, look how terrible these wheels are. These wheels have been massively neglected as we worked on other mods and other projects. So today we're gonna show you the quickest, the cheapest, and the easiest way to clean disgusting wheels. Now the product that we're going to be using is Sonax, and this is not a sponsored video. Actually, Justin Bice said it was awesome, and I trust Justin Bice, so I bought some. So if you're interested, we're gonna have links in the description below. Now, when we look at my car and when you look at your car as well, you may notice that the front tends to get way more disgusting than the rears. And although that looks sort of okay, that's not clean either. We're gonna take care of that later, but today, we really want to focus on the nasty one on the front. So the product that we're going to be using today is Sonax, and I have seen Justin's video on it. It seemed to work great. I also read other reviews and everything pointed to this as being the best product. So if this can handle this, this is a true winner for life here. Now, when you're using this product, you want to make sure that your wheel is cool, and basically you're just going to spray an even coating along the entire rim. Then what's going to happen is we're going to let this sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then once it turns red, it's ready to rinse off. Now, we are probably going to have to repeat this process a couple times. One very important note, do not let this dry. So 3 to 5 minutes. Now, if you're in direct sunlight like we are today, you want to just keep a close eye. If it starts to get dry, maybe just give it another spritz. So as we can see, it's already turning this crazy color, which means it's absorbing all of those iron particles. It looks like my wheel's like covered in blood. I guess while we're waiting on the front, we can do the back. No sense in wasting some good time. Now the directions say to use a pressure washer, but we're just gonna use this hose since that's what we have at the shop. I'm just going to gently rinse it off. Again, we haven't scrubbed it, we haven't done anything. All we did was spray. And this is already a huge difference compared to what we started at. We can also do this one here. All right, awesome. So they're looking a lot better, especially the front one's night and day. It's still really, really, really ugly. So we're going to spray some more of this on here and let it sit for another 5 minutes or so. What I am going to do though is I'm going to use a soft brush to just agitate it a little bit to see if we can really make this thing come back to life. All right, so before this dries, I do want to try to agitate it a little bit. All right, rinse this one off. As you can see, after about 4 or 5 sprays and rinses with the Sonax and also some scrubbing, the scrubbing was pretty important because of how soiled these are. These look fantastic. They are not 100% in full disclosure. We do need to get another bottle because we actually ran out. So there's definitely still some black on here, and I didn't really get a chance to do the inside of the barrel of the wheel, but we're gonna buy another bottle. Now, a lot of the other cleaners that we have tried in the past were really good for light brake dust, which really you could get off with a hose. But Sonax was really the first product that was able to get a lot of this baked on brake dust off. I've actually never seen a product do that before that claims to be safe for the wheels. So once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. I hope today's video was helpful if you have super dirty wheels. If you haven't done so already, be sure to give us a like, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all of your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.